Hello friends, so in this video we will continue our leaderboard. So go to the leaderboard fragment. Here we have this recycler view. In this we will add adapter to this. So for this we need to create an adapter. So in adapters folder, right click new Java class and name it rank adapter. And then this extends recycler view dot adapter and type of class is rank adapter dot view holder. Then click here, alt enter, implement methods, okay. Then again click here, alt enter, create class view holder, and again click here, alt enter, click on this make view holder, extend view holder, then click on this view holder, alt enter, create constructor matching super. Okay, now we don't have any error. So now let's implement this. Here we need a variable private list of rank model, and we'll name it user list. Then in this on create view holder, here we will create a view is equal to layout inflator dot from parent, context is parent dot get context dot inflate. Then we need a view, so create item layout. So in resources, right click, sorry, not in resources, layout, right click new layout resource file and name it rank item layout. Change this linear layout to constant layout. Then we don't need orientation here, delete this. Then here we need a text view width height 40 dp. Background circle, then constraint left to the left of parent, constraint top to the not bottom to the top of parent, constraint bottom to the bottom of parent. Here change its height to wrap content. Background tint green, text let's say A, change its text color white, text size 20 sp, text style bold, sorry, not normal, bold. And we also set gravity to it, gravity center. Okay, so this is our text view. Then after this we need another text view, that is for the name, and one is for the score. So wrap content, constraint to the top of parent, and constraint left to the right of this layout. Name it, give it an ID, that is image text, and this is ID image text. So this is to the right of this, and then give it a text name, color black, style size, text size 16 sp, then give some margins. So margin top 8 dp, and margin left 16 dp. Then we need another text view, wrap content. This is for the score, so constraint it from top to the bottom of this layout. We'll name it, give it an ID, that is name, and this is below this name. Then give it a text, score colon 1 2 3, then constraint it from left to the right of this image text, and margin left 16 dp, and I guess it is okay. Then we need another text view, that is for rank, wrap content, constraint right to the right of parent, constraint top to the top of parent, and then constraint bottom to the bottom of parent. And then text is rank one not applied, and then text color black, then margin from the top, margin top 8 dp, and margin from the right 32 dp, and I guess now it seems fine. Now let's check this layout. This is the layout. Okay, let's give some horizontal bar also. A horizontal bar, that is a view. Width is match parent. Height is 1 dp. And we have to constraint this also. Constraint left to the right of that image text, and constraint right to the right of parent, and constraint top to the bottom, not bottom, top to the bottom of this image text. Okay, and then constraint from the top and bottom. Okay, we don't need to constraint from the bottom. Then we'll give margin from top 16 dp, and then we'll give margin from right 16 dp, margin from bottom 16 dp, not 16, 8 dp. Go to this text view. Here we will give it some margin from the left 16 dp, and this okay, I will not set gravity to. Okay, we have to set the gravity and layout gravity also. Do we have a layout gravity here? Here in this name we have to give the margin top 16 dp. Okay, now it seems fine. So this is our rank item layout. Now come back to the rank adapter class. Here in .inflate we will give r dot layout dot rank item layout. Next parameter is parent. Then in third parameter we will set false. Then we will return this view here instead of null. Sorry, not view. Here we will return new view holder and pass the view in this. And on bind we have, then in on get count, in get count we will return. Here we will check if will display only top 10 users. So here we will display, here we will check if users list dot size is greater than 10. If it's greater than 10, then we will return 10, else we will return the size of the user list dot size. Okay, so we will display only top 10 users. So we will return up to the 10, maximum 10 results. Then in this here we will create rank item view variables. So private text view, one is for name text view, then rank text view, score text view, then we have image text view, that is this. Then we will initialize these variables here. Name text view is equal to item view dot find view by id, r dot id dot name, rank text view is equal to item view dot find view by id, r dot id dot rank, score text view is equal to item view dot find view by id, r dot id dot score, image text view is equal to item view dot find view by id, r dot id dot image text. Let's check their IDs. Go to the layout file. Here we have image text, name, then we don't have an ID for the score, so let's give it score. Then we have rank, also we don't have one for rank, so let's create this also, rank, and then it's okay. Now come back. Here we will create another function. After this constructor we will create a function that is set data. So we'll create private void set data. In this we will set the data, so we'll get the variables from here. First name, first is string, okay, a name is okay, name, then score, then int rank. Then we'll set these variables to the text views. Set text name, score dot set text, score text view dot set text, score colon plus score. Then rank text view dot set text, rank plus rank. Then we will set image text view dot set text. Here the first letter of the name, so name dot to upper case dot substring and 0,1, first character only, first character of the name. So now we will call this set data from here in on bind. Here we will create variables. Name is equal to user list dot get position dot get name, int score is equal to user list dot get position dot get score, int rank user list dot get position dot get rank. Then we will call holder dot set data, and we'll pass name comma score comma rank to this. So this is our adapter. I guess it's complete. Now come to the leaderboard fragment. Here we will create adapter variable private rank adapter then here adapter is equal to new rank adapter, and in this we'll pass g users list db query dot g g underscore users list. Rank adapter. Okay, go to the rank adapter. Here we forgot to create a constructor, so here alt insert constructor. Okay, now come back to the fragment. Here we have adapter. Now we'll set this to the users view dot set adapter. Okay, we have set the adapter also. Okay, now we will fetch the data from the users data from the database. So here we will call get top users. It's in db query, so db query dot get top users, and we'll pass new my complete listener in this. So it will return the users list to us. Okay, so after getting the users list, we will first notify the adapter to change the list, to change the data, notify dataset change, and then we have to calculate our rank. Okay, we have to check if we are in the top 20 list, then we have already set our rank, and if we are not in the top 20, then we have to calculate our correct rank. Okay, so first we have to check if our score is not 0. If my performance db query dot my performance dot get score is equal to 0, not equal to 0. If it's not equal to 0, then we will check the ranks. Okay, otherwise we will not update the ranks. Its default value is not applied, then it will remain not applied. Okay, if it's not equal to 0, then we will check if we are in the top list or not. So if we are in the top list, then it's okay. If we are not, so we'll check the variable dot is me on top list. If it's true, if it's false, so we'll set the not to this. If it's false, then we will come here. False means we are not in the top 20 list, so we have to calculate our rank. So we'll create a function calculate rank, and if we are in the top top 20 list, means we already have our rank set while fetching the data. Okay, we have set already. So now we will set the rank and score to our fragment. Do we have variables here? We have my score and my rank. Okay, we have these. So also total users, we already have a total users. So here total users we will set plus db query dot total g underscore total users count, g underscore users count. So this is the variable that holds the total users value. So we have set the total users in our fragment, leaderboard fragment. Then we will set our score and rank. We will set our score and rank here. After calculating the rank, then we will set the score text view dot set text, and its score is score plus get the score from the my performance dot. Okay, where is my performance? Alt enter, it's in the db query. Then dot get score. So this is our score. Then my rank tv dot set text. Then we have a rank. We have our rank also in this my performance dot get rank. Okay, so now we have set our rank and score. Now we will implement this calculate rank function here. After this we'll create a function private void calculate rank. Then here we will calculate our rank if we are not in the top 20. So how can we calculate? First we will check the lowest score of the lowest score in our top 20 list. So we will create a variable low top score is equal to g users list dot get, and we will get the last element because it's in the decreasing order. So we'll get the last element of the list, that is users list dot size -1. That is the last element of the list. We'll get this element and we'll get its score. Okay, so this is the low score of the 20th top 20 in the 20th user of the in the list. Okay, this is the 20th user score. Then we will check how many remaining users we have. So we will create another variable remaining slots is equal to, we have users count and this is the total number of users. We will minus 20 from this. So these are the remaining users. Suppose we have total 50 users, 20 we have in this list. Now we have remaining slots 30. So our rank, if our rank is not in this top 20 users, means our rank is in this remaining slots. Okay, means remaining 30 slots. We have remaining 30 slots. If suppose we have 50 total users, then we have to calculate our rank in these remaining 30 slots. Okay, so I will check my slot, which is my slot in this remaining 30 slots. Okay, so how can I check? First I will get my score. So my score is in my performance dot get score. This is my score, and I will multiply this score with the remaining slots, and then I will divide this value with the low top score. Okay, so it will give me my my slot. Okay, from the remaining 30 slots, in which position I would stand. Okay, so this is my rank, my slot. Okay, then take a variable int rank, and we will check if low score is not equal to, if low top score is not equal to my score, that is my performance dot get score. If it's not equal to, it should not be equal to this. If it's equal to, means if this condition satisfy, means the lowest, the 20th person score is equal to my score, then I will change my rank to 21. Okay, because we have I have same score with the 20th user, so my rank is 21. Okay, if it's not equal to the lowest top score, means it is lower than the lowest top score, so I will calculate this rank is equal to total users, user count, g user count minus this my slot that I have calculated above this. I will subtract this my slot from the total users counts, then I will get my rank. Okay, so this way I will get my rank. Then I will update in my performance dot set rank. So we have updated our rank in this my performance. We have calculated our rank and updated our rank here. Okay, so this function will calculate our rank, and now we have our rank calculated. If we are not in the top 20, if we are in the top 20, that then we do not need to calculate our rank. Okay, only when we are not in the top 20 we will calculate our rank and set our rank and score here. Okay, then we need, because here we are getting the top users from the database, so it takes some time, so we need to display loading dialog to the users. So create loading dialog also, copy this from another fragment, say let's say account fragment. We don't have in this account fragment, so go to the test activity. Here we have this progress dialog, copy this to here and come back to the leaderboard fragment. Here after initializing the views, here we will paste this and create a variable here, private dialog, progress dialog. Then progress dialog is equal to, here we don't need test activity, instead we have context. Then dialog layout, cancelable false, this, then loading is fine, we need one text view also loading. dialog text, private text view, dialog text. Okay, loading, and then we are showing the progress dialog to the user. Okay, then after showing this dialog, then we are fetching the data here, get top users, and if we fetch the data successfully here, we will dismiss this loading dialog, that is progress dialog dot dismiss. And in on failure also, if we fail to fetch the data, then also we will dismiss this progress dialog. And here we also created toast message. Let's copy it from the test activity. This something went wrong, copy this and paste here, and here get context. So here we will display something went wrong, please try again to the user. Okay, if we will fail to fetch the data, otherwise we will display score and rank. So I guess that it should work. We have finished our leaderboard. Also we need this we need to set this score and rank in profile activity. So go to the my profile activity, not my profile, go to the account fragment, and here on create view, here what we will do, we'll check if g users db query dot g users list dot size is equal to 0. If means we haven't fetched the users list yet. So first we will check if its size is not, if it's equal to 0, means we need to fetch the total users, top users. So we will fetch the top users here. So we'll copy this code from leaderboard fragment. This is the fetching code. Copy this, Control C, sorry, failure also, up to here, copy this and go again to the account fragment, here paste this, then adapter, here we don't have any adapter, delete this line. We'll check if our score is not equal to 0, then we will calculate our rank if we are not in the top list. And also we don't have the progress dialog, so we need progress dialog also. So go again to the fragment leaderboard, here copy this, fragment, here paste, users dialog, we need these two variables, copy and paste them here. Then we need my score text view and rank text view. Here what are the variables name? We have name and score, these are the text view variable names. So here instead of score tv we have score variable name, and what is for the rank. We have rank, so we have rank. Okay, and calculate rank, we also need this function. So again go to this, here copy the calculate rank, copy this, and in last here paste this. This is the function which will calculate the rank. So we will get the top users, also will set the values, and here this is the if case. If its size is equal to 0, then we will fetch the data. Otherwise, in else, if it's not equal to 0, also we don't need to show the dialog in all the cases. So cut this from here, and we will show the dialog only if we are going to fetch the data here, because we are not going to fetch the data in all cases. If its size is equal to 0, then only we will fetch the data. If it's not equal to 0, means we already have something in our top users list, then we will come here, and so we will set the score and rank values. So here score dot set text, we have score in my performance dot, copy the line from top, this is the score and rank, control C, sorry, and here paste this. This is our score, and this is our rank. So we will display the rank and the score, and here we also need to check if our score is not equal to 0. If my performance dot get score is not equal to 0, then only we will update the rank. So let's check if we have initialized our rank NA in this also. So go to the fragment activity.xml, here check, yeah, we have initialized with NA. Now come to the leaderboard fragment, here also check our rank variable that we have initialized with NA. Yeah, we have initialized this with NA. Then come again to the leaderboard fragment, here we have initialized all the variables, set all the variables. Okay, we haven't set this yet, my image text, so let's set this also here. After this, my image text view dot set text, here we will get the name from the my performance variable dot get name, and we will change it to uppercase and extract its 0,1, its first alphabet, and we'll set it to the image text. Okay, now I guess it should run fine perfectly, so let's test it. Okay, so this is our app. Go to the leaderboard, something is wrong. Okay, here we have something missing. We don't have name in this my performance, we haven't set yet. So go to the db query class, here go to the top in my performance, first change it to here you have this null, this null. Now change this null to this, like this, and then so that it will not kill. And also we need to update this name while we are fetching the total score. Here we are fetching the profile data. Here we are setting the name in my profile. We have to set the name in my performance also. So here we will set my performance dot set name. Copy this from here, Control C, Control V. Now we have name in this my performance variable. Now compile, run again. So now go to the leaderboard fragment. Here this is our leaderboard. Okay, we have some problem here. We haven't set the background in our leaderboard fragment. So go again to the leaderboard fragment. Here go to its fragment file. Here go to this top layout. Here set the background, sorry, not background tint. Background is equal to, set it to white. Now run again. Go to the leaderboard class. Okay, now it's showing perfectly. It is not showing our view, that is horizontal bar. We have a horizontal bar also here. It is showing here, but it is not showing our horizontal bar here. So go to the rank item layout. Here we have this bar. It's not visible, this view. Okay, we haven't set its background, that's why it is not visible. So set its background also. Give it a list, divider list. It's in attribute, sorry, Android attribute. Or let's check somewhere else. We have this divider in fragment.xml, fragment leaderboard.xml. Here also we have this view. Yeah, this, set the background to this list divider, copy it, then go to the rank item layout. Here set this background. Now run again. Now go to the leaderboard. Now it is showing perfectly. So this is our rank activity. Our rank is 1, our score is 40. It is displaying me as a top user. We only have 5 users, from which only 2 users have score greater than 0. That's why it is displaying only 2 users and the total users 5. Other 3 have 0 scores, so that's why it is not displaying other users. It will display up to 10 users here, and it will display our rank here and score here. Then go to the my account fragment. Here also it is displaying our rank and score. Okay, so this is working fine, I guess. This is our leaderboard. It is working perfectly. So that's it from this video, guys. If you like this video, please press the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.